सुरू झालं का? Dear students of 11 Science and 11 Arts A, today we are going to start a new chapter from prose section, that is on saying please. The young lift man in a city office, who threw a passenger out of his lift the other morning and was fined for the offense was undoubtedly in the wrong. It was a question of please. See, excuse me, please. These are the words that help you in life to maintain your relationship with others. And he wanted that the other person should say please to him. The complaint entering the lift said top. The lift man demanded top please. The lift man demanded top please, and this concession was being refused. He not only declined to comply with the instruction but hurled the passenger out of lift. This, of course, was carrying comment on manner too far. Discourtesy is not the issue. This, of course, was carrying a comment on matter too far. Discourtesy is not a legal offense. तुम्ही कोणाशी सौजन्याने वागायचं किंवा नाही वागायचं म्हणजे काही तो गुन्ह्याचा विषय असू शकत नाही. Discourtesy is not a legal offense and it does not excuse assault and battery, If a burglar breaks into my house, burglars mean thief. If a burglar breaks into my house and I knock him down, the law will acquit me. Acquit म्हणजे निर्दोष मुक्त करणे. The law will acquit me. And if I am physically assaulted, it will permit me to retaliate. To retaliate म्हणजे प्रत्युत्तर देणे. To retaliate with reasonable violence. It does this because the burglar and my assailant have broken quite definite commands of the law, but no legal system could attempt the legislate against bad manners or could sanction the use of violence against something which it does not itself recognize as a legally punishable offense. Some offenses are not punishable, some offenses are punishable. So here is the thing that you have to understand, that courtesy is not a thing for which you can compel anyone. It is a matter of general understanding. And common sense, that you have to say excuse me, please, sorry. So these are the things which you have to follow and adopt in your day-to-day life with your own conscience, with your own reasoning power. Otherwise, nobody is going to compel you that you should do this or you should do like that. And our sympathy with the lift man, we must admit that the law is reasonable. Our sympathy is with the lift man. Our sympathy is with the lift man because he wanted from the person that he should say, "Top, please." But he did not say so, and that's why the lift man was angry and threw him down. And our sympathy with the lift man, we must admit that the law is reasonable. It would never do if we were at liberty to box people's cars because we did not like their behavior. We did not like the behavior of other people because they are not within the frame of courtesy. It would never do if we were liberty to box people's cars because we did not like their behavior or the tone of their voices or the scowl of their faces or the scowl of their faces. Scowl of their faces means expression of their faces. It would never do if we were at liberty to box people's cars because we did not like their behavior or the tone of their voices or the scowl of their faces. Our fists would never be idle and the gutters of the city would run with blood all the day. If people are in a mood to take revenge, then every time something very unwanted and something very shocking may happen. It may as civil as I may please, and the law will protect me against violent retaliation. The law will protect me against violent retaliation. Law will protect me against violent retaliation means कायदा मी जरी कितीही असं उग्र स्वरूपाचं तीव्र स्वरूपाचं पाऊल उचललेलं असेल किंवा ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की ज्याच्यामुळे शारीरिक अथवा मानसिक हानी होऊ शकते अशा स्वरूपाची माझं कृत्य असेल तरीसुद्धा मला कायदा माफ करेल. याला कारण असं की माझी जी काही अपेक्षा आहे समोरच्या व्यक्तीकडनं ती निश्चित रास्त स्वरूपाची असेल. इट मे बी ॲज सिव्हिल ॲज आय मे प्लीज अँड द लॉ विल प्रोटेक्ट मी अगेन्स्ट द रिटॅलिएशन. इट मे haughty means very concentrated. Hot arguments were there. It may be haughty or boorish. Boorish means rude or uncultured, and there is no penalty to pay except penalty of being written down an ill-mannered fellow. Only the law will say me that I am a ill-mannered fellow, but did not do anything against that ill-mannered fellow. The law does not compel me. The law does not compel me to say please. कायदा मला असं भाग पाडू शकत नाही की तुम्ही प्लीज म्हणायलाच पाहिजे. द लॉ डज नॉट कंपेल मी टू से प्लीज और टू अट्यून माय व्हॉइस टू अदर पीपल्स सेन्सिबिलिटीज एनी मोर दॅन इट सेज दॅट आय शॅल नॉट वॅक्स माय मुस्टॅच और डाय माय हेअर. जसं आपण कोणाला म्हणू शकत नाही की तुझी हेअरस्टाईल कशी असली पाहिजे किंवा तुझ्या मुस्टॅचला तू कसं सेट करायला पाहिजे, तसं कायदासुद्धा मला हे म्हणू शकत नाही की मी प्लीज म्हणायलाच पाहिजे. आय शॅल नॉट वॅक्स माय मुस्टॅच और डाय माय हेअर और वेअर रिंगलेट्स डाऊन माय बॅक. इट डज नॉट रेकग्नाइज लॅक्रिएशन. It does not recognize lacriation. Lacriations means a cut or tear of our feelings as a case for compensation. There is allowance for moral and intellectual damages in these matters. There is no allowance for moral or intellectual damages in these matters. This does not mean this does not mean that damages are negligible. होणारं नुकसान हे दुर्लक्ष करण्यासारखं आहे असं आपण म्हणू शकत नाही आणि त्यामुळे आपल्याकडनं कोणाचं डॅमेज होणारच नाही, कोणी आपल्याकडनं दुखावल्या जाणारच नाही असा प्रयास आपण आपल्या वतीने आपल्या पातळीवरती ठेवायला पाहिजे. शक्यतोवर चांगले शब्द जे आहे, संवैधानिक शब्द जे आहे त्याचा वापर आपल्या व्यवहारामध्ये असला पाहिजे अशी अपेक्षा आहे. अँड द रायटर ऑल्सो सजेस्ट लाईक दिस. It is probable that the liftman was much more acutely hurt by what he regarded as a slur upon his social standing than he would have been if he had a kick on the shins, for which he could have got a legal redress, for which he got have a legal redress means to ask justice for. The pain of a kick on the shins soon passes away, but the pain, a wound to our self-respect or our vanity may poison a whole day. आपल्या आत्मसन्मानावरती, आपल्या अहंकारावरती पोचलेली एखादी ठेच आपला संपूर्ण दिवस, आपला कंप्लीट पिरियड एका दिवसाचा, एका 24 तासाचा स्पॉईल करू शकते असं लेखकाचं म्हणणं आहे आणि ते रास्तसुद्धा आहे. बिकॉज वी प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ एस्टीम बियॉन्ड आवर इमॅजिनेशन. आवर सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट, आवर सेल्फ एस्टीम is more important than any other things, and that's why we expect the word of courtesy from other people for us. The pain of a kick on the shins soon passes away, but the pain of a wound to our self-respect or our vanity may poison a whole day. I can imagine that liftman denied the relief of throwing the author of his wound out of the lift, brooding over means to contemplate over, brooding over the insult by the hour, brooding over the insult by the hour, and visiting his wife in the evening as the only way of restoring his equilibrium. Equilibrium म्हणजे संतुलन, equilibrium, for there are few things more catching than bad temper and bad manners. When Sir Anthony Absolute bullied Captain Absolute, the latter went and bullied his man Fag, whereupon Fag went out downstairs and kicked the page boy. Probably the man who said top, the liftman, was really only getting back on his employer, who had not said good morning to him because he himself had been henpecked at breakfast by his wife. Henpecked husband असं म्हटलं जातं. दिस इज अ फ्रेज, henpecked. Henpecked means the person who used to follow the order of his wife obediently and did not argue anything before her, and that person is called henpecked husband, henpecked person. At breakfast by his wife, to him the cook had been insolent. To him the cook had been insolent. The cook in the house was insolent to him in the morning. Henpecked at breakfast by his wife. To him the cook had been insolent because the housemaid had answered her back. We infect the world with our ill humorous. With our ill humors, we infect ourselves by our ill humors. We hurt ourselves only by our words. Remember one important thing, that nobody can hurt you. Remember one important thing, that nobody can hurt you except yourself. Nobody can hurt you except yourself. तुम्हाला कोणीही दुखवू शकत नाही तुमच्या स्वतः शिवाय. आणि म्हणून तुम्ही स्वतःची काळजी स्वतः घ्यायची. यूज पोलाइट, जेंटल, सोबर, काइंड वर्ड्स इन युअर डे टू डे अफेअर्स. We infect the world with our ill humors. Bad manners are probably due to poison the stream of the general life than all other crimes in the calendar. आपल्या दिनदर्शिकेवरती, आपल्या कॅलेंडरवरती जितकं नुकसान आपल्याला दिसत नसेल तितकं नुकसान आपल्या एका वाईट विचाराने होत असते. अँड देअरफॉर वी शूड रिमेंबर वन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग, दॅट वी शूड नॉट यूज द रफ केअरलेस वर्ड्स फॉर अदर्स. फॉर वन वाईफ who gets a black eye from an otherwise good natured husband, where are 100 who live a life of martyrdom under the shadow of a morose temper. Morose temper means moderate temper. Temper means nature, स्वभाव. Moderate temper, morose temper. But all the same, the law cannot become the guardian of our private manners. The law cannot become guardian of our private manners. No decalogue could cover the vast area of offenses, and no court could administer a law which governed our social activities, our speech, the lift of our eyebrows, and all our moods and manners. So no legal system can control our nature, our behavior, our day to day affair. It is after all our conscience that regulate the day to day affair in our routine life. But though we are bound to endorse the verdict against the liftman, most people will have a certain sympathy with him. Most people have a certain sympathy with him. Though we may feel something about the liftman, but there are some people, though they may have the sympathy with him. While it is true that there is no law that compels us to say please. No law can compel us to say please. There is a social practice much older and much more sacred than any law which enjoins us to be civil. And the first requirement of civility is that we should acknowledge a service. Please and thank you are the small change with which we pay our ways as social beings. With which we pay our ways as social beings. They are the little courtesies by which we keep the machine of life oiled and running sweetly. They put our intercourse upon the basis of a friendly operation and easy give and take instead of on the basis of superiors dictating to inferiors, superiors dictating to dictator, superior dictating the others or inferior असं व्हायला नको. What is expected that we should use the sober words in our interaction with the people, and thereafter we can continue our relation in the society. And I am going to upload this video on YouTube in a very short manner. Thank you very much.